Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ryobi back again for some sad news about the power washer that I use in my car wash review. It's not because I abused my power washer. It's about 5 months old, and it's not because of the cold or anything. It did not freeze up. But look at this problem I have right here. Okay, let me turn off this light. See that? That means that there's a bad power supply built into the power washer, and it's not one to turn on. I even hit this button, like watch. Hit the reset button. Shows green on this power feature right here, the GFI. Shows green right there, but look over here. Even the power button's off. Look at this. There's no green over here. So, basically, my power washer is completely screwed. It doesn't want to work at all. Like, look. I'll even turn on the power button, guys, and I'll even spray some water by squeezing the trigger. And look at this. See that? Nothing happens. So, I don't know. Detailing world problems. Detailing world problems right here. Or basically, if it ain't a basehead problem, it's a detailing enthusiast problem. So, I'm gonna take this back tomorrow. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait till Friday when I get paid. I might be buying a gas powered 2700 from Ryobi. I don't know if Ryobi's a bad manufacturer name, like this power washer is. It's Ryobi. But I don't know. I do want thicker foam, so I might be getting a gas powered one. Because guys, as y'all saw in my last review video, the car wash, it faded off real fast, which means my car washer isn't efficient enough. And well, I'm gonna hook this, go to bed, wake up tomorrow, take this back, and I get my money back, and I'll save it up to get a newer one, a different one, completely different. I don't know if the ice or something broke the power supply or what, but maybe I should try wiggling the cord around. I don't know, because maybe I did break it over here. Like, look, I'm even wiggling the cord, nothing happens. So if you're new to this channel, please help me out, and please subscribe. Like this video if you didn't enjoy it, and yeah, I'm definitely sad right now. As you can tell in my voice, I'm very sad. So, if anybody out there that knows a lot about power washers, please tell me what the problem is, because I'm completely mad. I just want to kick the dang thing across the yard and break it or something, but that ain't gonna help the issue, because then I'm not gonna be able to get my money back from it. So, like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe. Ryobi 879 signing out.